Hey beauties! Are you tired of spending hours on your skincare or makeup routine? Today, I'm sharing 10 viral TikTok beauty hacks that actually work. These hacks will save you time, money, and give you amazing results. Stick around till the end. So let's get started.
Use gentle, non-drying cleansers to avoid irritating your skin and limit washing your face to once a day. Rich, creamy moisturizers are ideal for winter, as they lock in moisture more effectively than lighter lotions or gels. These heavier moisturizers provide better protection against the harsh winter elements even in winter. Your skin is exposed to harmful UV rays. Make sure to use sunscreen with SPF 30, as UV rays can still damage your skin even on cloudy days. For deeper hydration, use serums containing hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and vitamin C, which help brighten and clarify your skin. After showering, always apply a strong body lotion or cream containing aloe vera, or coconut oil to prevent your skin from drying out. Avoid using hot water as it can strip the natural oils from your skin, leading to dryness and inflammation. Lip care is crucial in winter, since the cold and dry air can cause chapping and severe dryness. The first step to healthy lips is exfoliation. Many people neglect this step, but exfoliating your lips regularly, once or twice a week, removes dead skin cells, allowing your lip balm to absorb better. You can make a special lip scrub using coffee and coconut oil, or replace coffee with sugar if you prefer. This scrub combines coffee as a natural exfoliant with coconut oil to moisturize and repair your lips. A perfect combo for winter. After exfoliating, apply a nourishing lip balm or natural oils, like coconut oil or Vaseline, to keep your lips soft. For winter makeup, opt for warm tones like peach, bronze, and coral to create a cozy, natural glow. Makeup tailored to your face shape can enhance your best features and minimize imperfections. Contour areas you want to appear slimmer and highlight prominent areas like your cheeks and chin with concealer. Blend the concealer with a brush to create a seamless look. Using darker shades at the outer corners of your eyelids and lighter ones in the center can add depth and allure to your eyes. The shape of your eyebrows also plays a big role in framing your face, and full natural brows help balance your look. Depending on your face shape and skin tone, choose soft or warm shades of lipstick to complement your makeup. In winter, hair tends to dry out and become brittle, especially for thick curly hair. Proper care can reduce damage. Avoid washing your hair too frequently. Once or twice a week is enough. After shampooing, use conditioners and hair masks containing honey, aloe vera, and argan oil to keep your hair soft and hydrated. Tips to get long nails. So first thing that can help a lot is massaging your cuticle area. Just like in hair care, massaging your scalp helps grow your hair. Get rid of yellow nails. If you have yellow nails, use lemon juice and baking soda to whiten them. Just apply the mixture to your nails and let it sit for a few minutes, and rinse it off. Please avoid this if you have any cuts near your nails beds. It will burn. Grow nails. If you want to grow your nails, you can make this treatment for your nails by mixing olive oil and lemon juice. Dip your nails in there for a few minutes. Do this once a week. It helps a lot with nail growth. Nail care routine. Firstly, wash your hands and clean your nails. Use a toothbrush and hand soap to clean your nails from the inside. I recommend you to use a scrub on your hands to remove dead skin around your nails. You can make your scrub by mixing oil and salt, but this is only to use around your nails. Don't use it on your hands. Try to exfoliate after every 3 days. Step 2. When they are completely dry, start cutting your nails to the right length and filing them. Pick a nail shape that you like. Step 3. Then push back your cuticles. You can do this with a cuticle pusher or just use your nails. Step 4. Then apply some clear polish to your nails if you want. I recommend you to not skip this, because it prevents your nails from breaking. Next, apply some acrylic powder on your nails. It prevents them from getting foggy. Now seal it with a top coat.
Started using castor oil on my lashes 3 weeks ago. And while I've seen some growth, it's important to be patient. Castor oil is a miracle worker, but it does take time. So, those are my top tips for growing your lashes naturally. Let's start with one of the most effective ways to grow your lashes. Pure castor oil. Forget about those expensive serums. Castor oil is the real deal. All you need is a clean mascara wand. Dip it into the castor oil and gently apply it close to your lash line before bed. Remember, you only need to do this about 3 times a week. Trust me, it's more than enough to see results. Step 2, coconut oil. Next up is coconut oil. This stuff is like magic in a bottle. Not only does it help your lashes grow, but it also works wonders for your cuticles, nails, skin, and hair. If you're worried about it irritating your eyes, just try it on one side first. I like to take a little bit on my finger or a Q-tip and gently rub it onto my lashes. It's super easy and really effective. Step 3, Vaseline. Now I need to clear up a big misconception using Vaseline on your lashes. Oh my god, I know you've probably seen it all over YouTube, but please don't do it. Vaseline can actually cause milia, those small white bumps under your eyes, and it's dangerous for your eyes. While Vaseline might work wonders for your lips, It's a big no for your lashes. Step 4. Healthy diet and clean lashes. Another important tip is to keep your lashes clean and avoid rubbing them. Clean lashes are happy lashes. But it's not just about what you put on your lashes. What you eat matters too. A diet rich in fruits, nuts, eggs, and salmon can make a big difference.
Stop the comparison game. Whether it's that girl on TikTok with a flawless skin or your friend who seems to have her life together. Let me tell you, it's all curated. Nobody's posting their struggles or bad days. Comparing yourself steals your joy and energy. Focus on your unique glow-up journey. Remember, you are the main character in your story. Try a daily affirmation like I am enough. Just as I am, keep saying it until you believe it. 2. Saying yes to everything. Raise your hand if you're guilty of being a people pleaser. It's time to stop saying yes to everything, especially when it drains your energy. 2025 is all about protecting your peace. It's okay to say no. If something doesn't align with your goals or values, trust me, the world won't end. And you'll feel so much lighter next time someone asks for something. Practice saying, let me think about it. I remember agreeing to help with a school project while juggling exams and my work. By the end of the week, I was exhausted and had zero time for myself. Lesson learned, prioritize you.
Creating a winter fashion style that's both cozy and stylish is easier when you follow a few key tips. Darker, cooler colors like black, navy, and gray work well during the winter season. Waterproof leather shoes or warm boots are great choices for staying warm and dry in the snow and cold weather. When it comes to fragrances, warm and sweet scents are perfect for winter. Adding to your charm perfumes with notes of vanilla sandalwood, cinnamon, and amber evoke a sense of warmth and intimacy.
Start a gratitude journal where you write 3 things you love about yourself every day and watch your confidence grow. 4. Procrastinating. We've all been there, putting things off until the last minute and then feeling overwhelmed while doing it. Procrastination not only wastes time, but also creates unnecessary stress. Before 2026, let's kick this habit out. You can start small by breaking your tasks into bite-sized chunks and reward yourself after completing them. Trust me, future, you will thank you. 5. Toxic friendships. Here's a tough one. Cutting off toxic friendships. If someone makes you feel less than yourself, drains your energy, or doesn't support your growth, it's time to let them go. You deserve relationships that uplift you, not bring you down. It might be hard, but 2026 is about protecting your vibe. You're not obligated to keep people in your life just because of history. Focus on the people who truly care about you. 6. Overthinking. How often do you replay conversations in your head or worry about things that's out of your control? Overthinking steals your time and peace. To stop this habit, practice mindfulness. When your mind starts spiraling, take a deep breath and bring yourself back to the present. Repeat this affirmation after me. Not everything deserves my energy. This way you'll focus more on the present. 7. Ignoring your health. Let's talk about self-care. Skipping meals, pulling all-nighters, or ignoring your skincare routine. Isn't it your body as your home? So treat it like a palace. Drink your water, move your body, and prioritize sleep. You'll feel better, look better, and glow from the inside out. 8. Living for others' approval. Stop living your life to impress others, whether it's posting for likes or making choices to please your friends. 2025 is about doing what feels right for you. When you live authentically, you attract the right people and opportunities. Take yourself out on a solo date once in a while. It's a great way to connect with yourself and figure out what truly makes you happy. 9. Gossiping about others. Gossiping might feel like harmless fun at the moment, but it creates negativity and distrust. Plus, if someone gossips with you, they're likely to gossip about you too. Focus on uplifting conversations. Compliment people or talk about ideas instead of other people. Positive energy attracts positive friendships. 10. Living in clutter. Messy space equals a messy mind. If your room looks like a tornado hit, take 10 minutes to tidy up. Decluttering is so therapeutic, and it makes your space feel so Pinterest-worthy. Trust me, a clean space makes you feel much more active and productive. 11. Overspending. I get it, online shopping is addictive. But do you really need that extra lip gloss when you already have 5? Financial stress is not the vibe for 2025. Create a budget and stick to it. Use apps to track your spending and set savings goals. Trust me, watching your savings increase feels way better than overspending. 12. Dwelling on the past. Reliving past mistakes or holding grudges only keeps you stuck. The past is a lesson, not a life sentence. Forgive yourself and others. Write down what you've learned from past experiences, then focus on creating an amazing future.
If you love these TikTok beauty hacks, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more viral tricks. Comment below which hack you're going to try first. I want to see your results. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. See you in the next one.